Hey guys, this is Lou with Beaverton Motorcycles. Here we have the 2021 Honda CBR 1000RR-R SP Fireblade. I know that's quite a mouthful because it is quite the motorcycle. So new for 2021, it is an all-new motorcycle. This is Honda's first revamp in a long time. So definitely some of the biggest highlights are going to be the new TFT screen. So full color TFT dash. It's also going to have the same bore and stroke from Honda's MotoGP RC 21 3B. And it's also going to have the latest Öhlins generation NPX gas charged forks. Amazing forks for this year. Only comes on a couple of high limited edition motorcycles. This is a limited quantity that was brought into the US market. Not a limited edition, but it's a limited run that they brought into the US market only, so it's quite special. The other thing too, basically, the revised aero package for the motorcycle. So Honda has designed an aero package for the motorcycle. It is not active, but it is for high downforce coming out of corners and going into corner braking stability. A lot of people think it's for acceleration, but it definitely does work for corner braking stability as well. Another thing too is the titanium Akrapovic muffler, beautifully made with the laser etched from Akrapovic. So they work with Akrapovic to design a beautiful titanium exhaust as well. And yeah, it is the best of the best is what Honda has to design. Honda, first and foremost, is an engineering company. So they have engineered something to be the best of the best, just like Marc Márquez in MotoGP. So if you're interested, come by, say hi to me, Lou, at Beaverton Motorcycles. We're located off 217 and Tiger, just across the street from Washington Square Mall.